First, explore the initial configuration options. You'll see settings for networking, observability, and security. Enter the machine name. Let's begin by choosing a region and zone for your new machine. Note the many options available. Explore available machine series like General Purpose, Compute Optimized, Memory Optimized, Storage Optimized, and GPU-based virtual machines. Let's start by selecting General Purpose Virtual Machines. Browse available machine configurations now. Refine CPU and memory here now. Explore the available instance sizes, share core, standard, high memory, or high CPU. Here, you can select a configuration with 8 vCPUs and 32 GB of memory. Now, define how long your VM runs with the provisioning model. Select Standard for ongoing use, or Spots to potentially reduce costs. Review your price estimate, then let's move on to OS and storage configuration. Current settings pricing values is listed. Now, choose an operating system from the available public images to begin configuration. Now, narrow your choices by selecting Ubuntu from the operating system list provided. Browse available Ubuntu versions carefully and finalize the OS selection. Next, we'll move on to configuring disk options, SSD with 100 GB size. Now, review the estimated monthly costs for your virtual machine. Machine and disk prices are listed in the table. Here, you can also deploy a container image directly to the instance. Finally, navigate to the networking section to configure firewall rules for your setup. Enable HTTP and HTTPS traffic for secure access now, which adds network tags HTTP server and HTTP server. Now configure network settings, adjusting bandwidth or adding interfaces. For external IP, it can be ephemeral or static IP address. Select your network tier now. We're now at security settings, where you can select the service account and its access scopes. Review the estimated costs for your instance, confirm the configuration, and finally create the machine.